You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to rearrange the control center on your iPhone running iOS 18. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Once you're there, press and hold any of the control icons like Wi-Fi, flashlight, or screen recording. After a moment, everything will shift slightly and enter edit mode, allowing you to move the icons around. Just drag them to a new position and release them where you want. If your control center has more than one page, you can swipe left or right to move between them and rearrange controls on each page. To add a new control, tap the plus button and choose from the available list. If there's something you don't use, tap the minus button next to it to remove it. Everything you do here is saved automatically. There's no save button to press. When you're finished making changes, just tap anywhere outside the icons or swipe up from the bottom to exit edit mode. The next time you open Control Center, it'll reflect your new layout. That's how easy it is to customize things in iOS 18. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you later.